Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about black sesame seeds. As you know, there are two types of sesame seeds, white sesame seeds and black sesame seeds. So among white sesame seeds and black sesame seeds are of much better quality as compared to white sesame seeds. White sesame seeds also have their own benefits, but the best but if you ask which is best, whether white sesame seed or black sesame seed, so black sesame seed is better in qualities and are more beneficial for women's health. As you know, many times this happen, like women deal with amenorrhea, that means missing of menstruation or missing periods or missing monthly blood flow or irregular periods. Sometimes after 28 days regularly periods doesn't come, or sometimes periods comes after 2 months, sometimes after 3 months. So this irregularity happens and it gives a woman a lot of tension, because if she is not in her menopause age and if she is after her puberty, then when the timings of periods becomes irregular, it is always sudden fear like when it will come, or sometimes happen like or sometimes this happen we feel like what's wrong, why they are not coming, what is wrong with my cycles, why my cycles are so irregular, and sometimes it happening to other women, and sometimes it's happening, sometimes not happening, but with other women these cycles are very regular, why it is with me. So lot of thoughts keep coming and going in our heads, and sometimes it also gives hidden anxiety, like maybe there is some problem, maybe there is something. So one and the very simple thing to rule out if there is some problem regarding ovaries or uterus or anything, regarding that, first thing is don't get scared. Oh, why it's happening, what happening, don't keep thinking. They are very simple solutions. First thing is, if you really feel like there is something or you are very worried, so one of the solution is you go to a doctor, radiologist, and take a ultrasound, whole abdomen ultrasound. It is a very painless technique. Just ultrasound is just like, you know, they will make you lie down and they just move the instrument over your stomach. They put some jelly kind thing, and then just, as you know how ultrasounds happen, right? So you just go and take ultrasound. This will give you a clear view like where is the problem, and if in ultrasound no problem get detected and still you feel you have irregular cycles and periods are not coming on time, then in this situation Ayurveda can help you a lot. So let's try to understand what is the thing, why it is happening, and how we can come over it with some natural things and changing little bit of lifestyle and diet. As you know, these black sesame seeds, and in various Devi temples, the prasadam, that is in Hindu culture, in Hindu tradition, as a gift from God, that is called prasadam, that contains sesame seeds. Especially in Devi temples it happens. Whenever you go to some Devi temples, many Devi temples, they give these sesame seeds as a prasadam. One of the example regarding this is Isha Devi temple. If you go to Devi temple, the prasadam that you get in return of some offering or in general also, it contains sesame seeds. So you can understand how beautifully the woman's health was related with sesame seeds traditionally also, because if it is Devi temple, she will offer you sesame seeds for the well-being of woman. So, in Ayurveda also sesame seeds are being used for ages for the well-being of woman. The good point about these sesame seeds is it is very rich in calcium. So, as you know, woman after menopause deals with calcium loss a lot, and even during even during after post pregnancy also sometimes there is this calcium loss. So, in these conditions in ancient ages or ancient times, people were providing woman a little pinch of these sesame seeds, so that her calcium needs will be fulfilled naturally in the form of certain Swedish or certain kind of halwas or certain kind of dishes which were very popular in Indian traditions earlier. Like after delivering a child, woman's health is weak, so she cannot eat whatever she wants. There is a specific protocol, there was a specific protocol, now it has been gone everywhere, but there was, like, you need to eat this, you need not to eat this, you need not to have vata enhancing things and much more. So, in that thing sesame seeds were also be provided so that her metabolism will become stable.